How to find your Discord ID on mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Discord ID on mobile. So if you are using Discord or need to find the Discord ID for a specific person, whether it's you or someone else, I will guide you through the process. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Discord app on your mobile. Once you have opened it, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner to open your profile. Now simply scroll down and tap on Advanced under the App Settings. Here you will see the option to enable developer features. So toggle on the developer mode. Once the developer mode is on, you will be able to copy your Discord ID. So make sure it's enabled. Now go back to the messages. Now simply go to any random profiles that is shown in the message bar. After that, tap on your profile pictures and then tap on the three dots which is shown on the upper right corner. Now you will be provided with three options which is copy username, copy user ID and apps, from which you need to tap on copy user ID. You have successfully copied your Discord ID to your clipboard. Now to see your user ID, paste it on the message bar. And that's it. You have successfully found your Discord ID on mobile. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get updated for more useful tips. Until then, next time.